We would like to introduce you to the stunning 1990 Cessna Citation 5, which is exclusively for sale by Aircraft for Africa. The airframe hours, 8,050.7 hours. Time remaining on both engines is 2,284 hours. Time remaining before hot section inspection is 532 hours on both engines. It's a 7-passenger seat in center club configuration with belted flushing toilet seat in the lavatory. Features are upgraded glass cockpit, state-of-the-art avionics including Collins ProLine. Phase 1 to Phase 5 inspections have been completed. There is a stretcher for EMS included. Aircraft is ready to go at US dollars 1.4 ex South Africa.
I get you up there, I'll be holding you so near. You may hear the angels cheer because we're together, weather-wise.